Hi, and welcome to this nose tutorial for the Nice to Gnome You pattern from Imagine Landscapes Designs. We've got cast on end, we've got a cast off end, and we've got ends. And what we want is we want those ends coming out the side. So what I've got ahead of me is a quick little video, probably be the shortest tutorial video I film for the Nice to Gnome You pattern. This is the one where I bound off, and instead of binding off, I fastened them off. I threaded the yarn through these stitches, and you can see it's opening up a little bit here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and I'm going to go through what is the first, would have been the first stitch on the needle. I'm just going to go through there. By doing that, I just tidy it up a little bit, and then I'm just a little bit happier. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to plunge it down through the center of that, and I'm going to look around and see which side of the gnome looks sort of best. They're pretty uniform, don't have a real reason to go anywhere. So let's just go out here. So what I need to do is just bring my needle tip out at a center part there. And then we're going to do the same thing with the cast on end, thread it on the yarn needle. We need to go back sort of through the center of what's going on there. And we need to come out at the same spot. So by doing that, we've given ourselves a place to attach the gnome nose so that the knitting can show rather than an end. These are much less tidy than this bit, plus the whole gnome is knitted, so it's going to look great to have the nose kind of running parallel to the fabric. And that's all there is to dealing with those ends. I hope that makes sense to you. Happy knitting and happy gnoming.